how to fix Oblivion Remastered fatal error crashing and not launching. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Oblivion Remastered not launching or not working. So let's get straight into it. Go to your Windows search bar and type in Device Manager. Open it. Here, expand the section for display adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. This will check if your GPU has an update and install it. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, you can also update through the GeForce Experience app. Just open it, go to the Drivers tab, and click Check for updates. If there's an update available, install it. If it says you have the latest version, you're good to go. Once all drivers are updated, I recommend restarting your PC to apply all the changes. After restarting, try launching Oblivion Remastered again through the Xbox app. That should do the trick. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fixes like this, and have an awesome day. Thanks so much for watching.